In the crypto world, few phrases generate as much excitement as altcoin season. It's the period when altcoins, cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, massively outperform Bitcoin, sometimes delivering life-changing returns in a short time. Social media fills with screenshots of explosive gains. Influencers declare the next 100 times, and traders rush to rotate funds into smaller coins. But this raises a critical question. Is altcoin season real, or just hype repeated every cycle? History shows that altcoin seasons have happened, but not randomly. They follow specific market conditions, capital flows, and psychological patterns. Understanding what altcoin season really means, how it starts, and how to prepare for it can separate disciplined traders from emotional gamblers. This video breaks down the reality behind altcoin season, the key indicators that signal its arrival, and how smart traders position themselves before the crowd. If you want to understand altcoin season instead of chasing it late, keep watching till the end. What is altcoin season? A simple explanation. Altcoin season refers to a market phase where most altcoins outperform Bitcoin over a sustained period. During this time, capital flows away from Bitcoin into Ethereum, large-cap altcoins, and eventually mid- and small-cap tokens. This results in rapid price increases across many altcoins, often far exceeding Bitcoin's gains. Altcoin season is not about one or two coins pumping. It's a broad market phenomenon. Typically, traders measure it by how many of the top altcoins outperform Bitcoin over a given time frame. However, altcoin season is not permanent. It usually appears after Bitcoin has already made significant gains and enters a consolidation phase. The key points many beginners miss is that altcoin season is a rotation of capital, not new money entering the market. Understanding this rotation is essential to predicting when altcoin season may begin and when it's ending. Bitcoin's role. Why altcoin season starts. After BTC moves. Bitcoin is the foundation of the crypto market, and altcoin season does not begin without Bitcoin's involvement. Historically, Bitcoin leads every major cycle. During early bull phases, most capital flows into Bitcoin because it's perceived as the safest crypto asset. Once Bitcoin rallies strongly and begins moving sideways, traders start looking for higher returns elsewhere. This is when capital slowly rotates into Ethereum and then into altcoins. If Bitcoin is extremely volatile or crashing, altcoin season rarely happens. Altcoins tend to bleed harder. This means altcoin season usually appears during Bitcoin consolidation at high levels, not during extreme BTC rallies or crashes. Watching Bitcoin dominance and price structure gives early clues about whether altcoin season is even possible. Bitcoin dominance, the most important indicator. Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D, measures Bitcoin's share of the total crypto market capitalization. This metric is one of the strongest indicators of altcoin season. When BTC dominance is rising, Bitcoin is outperforming altcoins. When BTC dominance starts falling, it often signals that capital is rotating into altcoins. Historically, major altcoin seasons began after BTC dominance peaked and started trending downward. However, not every dominance drop guarantees altcoin season. Traders must also look at how fast dominance falls, market sentiment, and overall liquidity. A slow, steady decline often signals a healthy altcoin rotation, while sudden drops may indicate speculative hype that fades quickly. Ethereum, the gateway to altcoin season. Ethereum plays a critical role in altcoin season, and it often acts as a bridge between Bitcoin and altcoins. Capital typically flows from Bitcoin into Ethereum before moving into smaller projects. When Ethereum begins outperforming Bitcoin consistently, it often signals the early stages of altcoin season. ETH/BTC pair strength is a key chart many traders monitor. Ethereum's ecosystem, DeFi, NFTs, Layer 2s, also influences broader altcoin sentiment. If Ethereum is weak, altcoin season struggles to gain traction. A strong Ethereum rally with rising on-chain activity usually supports a broader altcoin move. Market sentiment and retail psychology. Altcoin season is deeply tied to human psychology. Early in cycles, traders are cautious and focused on Bitcoin. As confidence grows, greed slowly takes over. Retail traders begin chasing higher-risk coins, hoping for fast gains. Social media hype increases. Meme coins trend, and narratives dominate logic. This emotional shift fuels altcoin season, but also makes it dangerous. The strongest altcoin gains often occur when optimism turns into overconfidence. Understanding sentiment helps traders recognize whether altcoin season is early, mid, or dangerously late. Liquidity and money flow. The fuel behind altcoin pumps. Altcoin season requires liquidity. Easy money conditions, rising market caps, and increasing trading volume support sustained altcoin rallies. When liquidity dries up, altcoins collapse quickly. Traders should monitor stablecoin supply, exchange inflows, and overall market capitalization. Rising total market cap alongside falling Bitcoin dominance is a classic altcoin season signal. Without fresh liquidity or rotating capital, altcoin rallies are usually short-lived. On-chain metrics that support altcoin season. On-chain data provides valuable confirmation for altcoin season. Increased activity on smart contract platforms, rising wallet interactions, and growing transaction volumes suggest real usage rather than speculation alone. Monitoring developer activity, network fees, and active addresses helps identify whether altcoin growth is sustainable. Healthy altcoin seasons often coincide with real ecosystem expansion, not just price hype. Historical altcoin seasons, what 2017 and 2021 show. The 2017 altcoin season was driven by ICO hype and retail speculation, resulting in extreme gains but poor sustainability. Many projects vanished afterward. The 2021 altcoin season was more mature, featuring DeFi, NFTs, and stronger infrastructure. However, the same emotional patterns repeated. Early believers benefited most, while late entrants suffered losses. These cycles prove altcoin season is real, but timing and discipline determine success. How traders position themselves before altcoin season. Smart traders prepare before altcoin season begins. They research projects, accumulate during low-interest periods, and manage risk carefully. They don't chase pumps or rely on social media hype. Portfolio rotation strategies, staggered entries, and profit-taking plans are essential. The goal is participation with protection, not blind speculation. Is altcoin season a myth or a repeatable cycle? Altcoin season is not a myth, but it's not guaranteed either. It is a conditional market phase, dependent on Bitcoin behavior, liquidity, sentiment, and capital rotation. Those who treat it as a certainty often lose money. Those who understand it as a probability-based opportunity gain an edge. Altcoin season rewards preparation, patience, and emotional discipline, not excitement. Altcoin season has happened before, and it will likely happen again, but never exactly the same way. The traders who succeed are not those who chase hype, but those who understand market structure, indicators, and psychology. Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum strength, liquidity, and sentiment together tell the story. If you respect the cycle, altcoin season becomes an opportunity, not a trap. If this video helped you understand altcoin season better, subscribe for more crypto insights, comment your thoughts or questions below, and share this with others who want to trade smarter in the next cycle. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.